My name is Diksha Kaur and my seminar presentation topic is alcohol as an alternative fuel in IC engines, which has been completed under the guidance of Mr. Nikhil Yadav sir. The contents of my presentation are: first, introduction to alternative fuels, then why alternative fuels are used, then I have described alcohol as fuel, then ethanol, how ethanol is made, its fermentation process, one of alcohol mixture E85, then power making fuel characteristics, process of fumigation, advantages of alcohol as fuel and its disadvantages, and the development in this field in different countries, then its conclusion. First, I would like to describe alternative fuels. So, alternative fuels are also known as non-conventional and advanced fuels. These are the materials or substances that can be used as fuels other than conventional fuels. Some of the well-known alternative fuels are biodiesel, alcohol, chemically stored electricity, hydrogen, non-fossil methane, non-fossil natural gas, vegetable oil, biomass, etc. etc. Then, why alternative fuels are used? So, as we know, in this century, it is believed that crude oil and petroleum products will become very scarce and costly. So, in day-to-day fuel economy of engines is getting improved and will continue to improve. However, enormous increase in number of vehicles had started dictating the demand for fuel. The fuel demand is increasing day by day. So, with increased use and depletion of fossil fuel, alternative fuel technology will become more common in the coming decades. So, because of the high cost of petroleum products, energy security, emission problems, some developing countries are trying to use alternative fuels for their vehicle. Now, alcohol as fuel, which means why alcohol is taken as alternative for in place of other fuels. So, liquid fuels are preferred for IC engines. This is because they are easy to store and have reasonably good calorific value. So, the main alternative is the alcohol. Alcohol are attractive alternate fuels because they can be obtained from both natural and manufactured sources. Methanol and ethanol are two kinds of alcohol that seems most promising. So, ethanol is described here. Ethanol is an alcohol-based fuel made from corn, wheat, sugarcane, barley, trees, grass, etc. Ethanol is renewable because it comes from fermenting process, which means it can be renewed. Ethanol lowers carbon monoxide emissions. Also, since ethanol can be made from a wide variety of plant life, it is very abundant, and with depleting petroleum reserve, it is a promising alternative. Now, how ethanol is made, which means the process by which ethanol is made. So, it is made from corn and other starch sources or from natural sugars by fermentation. Common sources include rice, potato, cassava, plus corn and other grains. Manufacturing process was very energy intensive but is now less so in most modern plants due to advances in distillation technology. So, ethanol is commercially produced using either a wet mill or dry mill process. Wet milling involves separating the grain kernel into its components part prior to fermentation. The dry mill process is the process where the entire grain kernel is ground into flour. Now, the wet mill process or dry mill process has shown. So, the fermentation process is described as ethanol prepared from corn by two methods. First one is dry milling method, second one is wet milling method. In dry milling method, 40 to 50 hours take place. and the wet milling process is continued for 24 to 48 hours. Now ethanol from sugarcane extracted by following steps, which are milling, refining, fermentation, which is done for 4 to 12 hours, and distillation and dehydration. Now this is the dry mill process by which dry milling is done, and this one is wet mill process by which wet milling is done. Now E85. So what is E85? E85 is an alcohol fuel mixture of 85% ethanol and 15% gasoline by volume. Ethanol derived from crops. Bioethanol is a biofuel. E85 as a fuel is widely used in Sweden and is becoming increasingly common in the United States, mainly in the Midwest, where corn is a major crop and is the primary source material for ethanol used fuel production. Also, E85 is usually used in engines modified to accept higher concentration of ethanol. Such flexible fuel engines are designed to run on any mixture of gasoline or ethanol with up to 85% ethanol by volume. And E85 is the blend of E10 by E15 to reduce pollution by oxidation. Power making fuel characteristics. So power making fuel characteristics involve octane rating, burning rate, latent heat of vaporization, which is taken as 130 kilojoule per kg, and energy value, which is taken as 26.8 kilojoule per kg. Now fumigation. This process can be described as it is a method by which alcohol is introduced into the engine by carbureting. Also, vaporization or injecting the ethanol into the intake airstream. So this requires the addition of a carburetor, vaporizer or injector, along with a separate fuel tank, lines and controls. Now the advantages of alcohol as fuel. So it is a high octane fuel, so it can be used efficiently for higher compression ratios. Also, it produces less overall emission compared to gasoline. It gives higher pressure and more power in the expansion stroke. It has high latent heat of vaporization, which results in a cooler intake process. This raises the volumetric efficiency of the engine and reduces the required work input in the compression stroke. So these are the advantages. Now if we talk about disadvantages, so the calorific value of the fuel is less, which is 29,700 only. With equal thermal efficiency and similar engine output uses, twice as much fuel would have to be purchased. And alcohol is much more corrosive than gasoline on copper, brass, aluminium, rubber and many other plastics. It also has poor cold weather starting characteristics due to low vapor pressure and evaporation. Now the development which has took place in this process are, first we would talk about Brazil. It is the world leader in production and export of ethanol. Ethanol produced per day equivalent to 2 lakh barrels of gasoline. Now USA. In USA, E85 sells cheaper than gasoline. Currently production aimed at 4.5 billion gallons per year. So if we talk about India, so here sources of ethanol are sugarcane, molasses, corn and agricultural waste. Low average cost of rupees 18 per liter, projected annual production capacity of 1.5 billion liters. So these are the development in different countries which are taking place in this process of using alcohol as an alternative fuel. Now if we talk about, now this is the end of this presentation, so I would like to conclude all my presentation. So here begins the conclusion. Reducing fossil fuels in the near future would be a great loss to mankind. And if we are not able to find out any alternative for it, and we found alcohol to be effective as it can be produced easily, and the flexible fuel vehicle will be proved to be of great advantage. Any queries? Thank you.